Just finished to test run the T-shape PVM bricks. T-shape PVM bricks also interlocking PVM bricks. You can see here. This is T-shape PVM bricks. Today this machine will test run 8 inches hollow block, 6 inches hollow block, flower shape PVM bricks and T-shape interlocking bricks. You can see here there's two machines. Because time not enough, so today we test run these two machines with 4 modes. Later this we will test run other modes. After we finish to test all the modes, then we will send to customers. If customers say okay, no problem, then we will clear machine and painting again. Then we will packing the machine and then deliver the machine to the customer country support. Then customer will start his business to earn money. I'm sure one day later, when I come to his country, he will be a rich man and he will invite me have a big dinner and at night 9 p.m. come to the bar with the beautiful girls, have a happy night, enjoy the life. Because I give him this advice. He holds this chance, start his business, then he earn money, start his new life, enjoy his life.